Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? I put too much in here. Oh my goodness. It's good. Good. Hot. Yes. This self-care Saturday is going to be all about the body. I have Josie Maran sugar scrub. I'm just going to absolutely indulge in before I get into the tub. I have her sugar scrub as a new scent I'm going to be reviewing. Also, she has a smell over my body. It is a new scent too. I'm going to be reviewing that too. So tonight, all about the body. I love doing the face. We gotta do the skin on the body. So let's get into this weekend self-care set. Okay, so here it is. This is a huge tub of Josie's Merit Her Body Scrub. Now, this is a sugar scrub. This is sugar scrub, and also, she's famous for her argan oil. So this is sugar and her argan oil. And this is one of her new scents, and this is pineapple whip. Now, if you're not familiar with Josie, now I just got this, and I just kind of tore it open, so I haven't even used this yet. But oh my god, this one you can smell. And one thing about Josie products, she is known as pain-free, so this is not a synthetic smell. This is the real thing. But if you're not familiar with her sugar scrub, I'm gonna get you on. This is absolutely wonderful. I'm going to make my own sugar scrub. I've been really wanting to make my own sugar scrub because I do love them. So let me show you the consistency of this. Let's get our up in there. Look at that. So once you get this on, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I'm going to show you at least on my arm, show you how I use it. Once you get this on, what I do is add a little splash of water and then just kind of, scrub. I use this from head to toe. And I only usually do this. You only really need to do this once a week. You can pretty much oh my god, it smells really good. This is the pineapple whip, and you do get a pineapple smell. You can smell this, so yeah, it smells really good. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Oh, what I was saying is that you only really need to do this scrub like once a week. You don't have to do it every single day unless you want to. So after using this, your skin, it is buffed out, it is resurfaced, it is exfoliated, and it leaves this like really soft skin after you've done this body scrub. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you how I do my Josie body scrub. So here is the pineapple whip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do this. So like on my arm, and usually when I do this, I usually do this before I get in the shower or get in the tub. So I will go ahead and just scrub up. You can kind of see what that looks like. It's like You fill the sugar, and it gets kind of like this like frothy thing going on. You can see that. And usually I would take this all the way up my arm, and I do the scrub. Like usually, if you're doing it in a bathroom, just add like a little bit, and just continue to scrub. You can see how it just kind of foams up. Not really foamy. I shouldn't say foamy. It's more like a creamy. It's just like a creamy foam. So I will do this head to toe, probably for like just once a week. Just once a week. You can kind of see. Hopefully that's coming out. And how it dissolves. And it just gets really foamy, and it's really nice. And then, after I'm done, with the scrub, oh, that feels really good. Once I'm done with the scrub, then I'll go ahead and get hot in the shower. Or if you want, what I do sometimes too is if I'm going to do it in the shower, because sometimes I just do it in a targeted way. Usually, I just do, my back or, my butt or just do my feet. And what you can do is when you're in the shower, just, when you're in the shower, oh wow, I was dirty. Look at all that dirt. I don't even know if you can see that. But it just kind of leaves this really, really soft, smooth. I mean, your skin really, really feels like it's puffed out, and it just leaves that argan on there, so it feels like you already pretty much moisturized after. That's what I like. You just feel really, really smooth after. I just love her scrub. So so yeah, get in the shower, like get away from the water a little bit, and then do your scrub, and then and then step back into the water. That's I got to do that. So yeah, it feels really good. Get all that dead skin off. And like I said, you only need to do it, once a week. Buff it out. Get from the week all the dead skin off, and then that way, your moisturizer, just like your when you're doing our mask, and when we're exfoliating our mask, this is how getting that dead skin off, exfoliating, opens up your pores, and let your lotions and your butters, work in there and get your skin, moisturized, like you want it to. You're not just putting lotion and your body butters on top of dead skin. You want to buff out and get that dead skin off, and then put your your lotions and your body butters on there, so it can do what it wants to do. And speaking of body butters, now Josie has this. I don't know if she has this size. This is like the biggest size that she has in her body butter, and this is a new scent. This is Pear, vanilla pear. This one right here, it smells, and it stays with you. Like right now, the scrub is like a little faint, but this right here, it stays with you. Not like well, I could say, I did wake up and I did kind of still smell it, all over. But this stays with you. And if you're not familiar, here, let me show you what her body butter. Her body butter, again, you know, it's clean beauty, and this is just whipped up argan oil. This is what this says. And, you know, I'm going to open this bad boy up. Look at this. Now, I don't think she doesn't sell this size all the time, but this thing lasts forever. You just need a couple pumps. Am I getting that? You can kind of see it's just whipped up argan oil, just whipped up. And it is luxurious, and it is different. And I'm not just saying that. This is different. When you apply this, because I'm a beauty junkie, so I try probably buy all kind of lotions, from Ulta to my drugstore. This feels different when you put it on. It just does. It feels like butter. It just does. You're just putting on this layer. It's let's see the consistency out of there, but it's just like this. This is like butter. It is. It's just like butter. It just feels different. It just feels different. It does give you a little shine, it does give you a little glow, but it's not like this super oily, like greasy, especially right now. Oh my God. Yeah, what is that, pear, vanilla pear? You know, I love something aromatherapy. It is nothing like putting on something that's good for your skin, and it smells good too. I mean, I love me some good aromatherapy. It's clean, it's light, it's not overbearing at all. Some people are real sensitive to those synthetic smells and synthetic, you know, fragrances. This is not synthetic, this is the real thing. And like I said, it just kind of stays with you. And, you know, it stays with you. And this right here will last us. So I got this, and I got her actually another sugar scrub. And like I said, that'll last a long time too. So this right here, like I said, I will try to find a link for Josie, but I don't think that they have this size. And I love what she did with this. She's got here, you know, I am, and then you fill this in, and then it's I can, you know. And then like for me, I will put I am strong. I meant to write that in. I am strong, and I can overcome my fears. That is what I would put there. I am strong, and I can overcome my fears. So that is it. That is Josie Maran. That is her sugar scrub. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I finally got some, and I was able to share it with you guys because I actually do love it. That vanilla pear, that smells good. So I am going to grab it. I am going to get our sugar scrub. So I am going to scrub, and then I'm going to be all about this peel for the next maybe hour. Okay. Maybe I'll pull it back up. But that is it for the review. That's it for this Self-Care Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed that review. If you've tried Josie scrubs, let me know. If you try any of her products, let me know. This is probably like my third or fourth Josie review because I love her products. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next Self-Care Saturday. And remember to take time for yourself. Give yourself some self-love, and remember to have fun doing it. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, darlings. I'll see you guys next time.